Okay, we're on just before the open. I have a strong feeling we're gonna come down. I'm tempted to sell, to be honest. But we are in a structure, we swept some structure, so there's a potential it could hold. I don't think so. I think we're just gonna flush down to these levels. Or to this level. We'll see. Yeah, 50 seconds till the open. Let's see what happens. I do have a strong feeling we're gonna flush. Or is it gonna be some trickeries? Might come up first, then flush. Yeah, I definitely think it's coming down. Damn it. I just ain't got a good price on it. I was hoping we were going to get this at the VWAP. That would have been ideal. I would have took this straight away. No doubts in my mind. No hesitation. There we go. Quick scalp wouldn't have hurt. But again, my stop loss was way too far away. There was a potential it was going to come test the VWAP before. So, hey ho. Bit of liquidity here. I also like seeing rejections off this lower band. But again, could have a tight stop loss. 16. It's gone without me. Yep, I'm just staying on 1 hour today. I'm going to try and keep it at an hour long. Also, my training at an hour long, because usually that's where my best setups come from now for an hour, and then I start overtrading. So the plan is try and stick to an hour, unless the market really is paying. Right now, the higher time frames have switched a little bit bullish in my opinion. So, I mean, I'm bearish right now, looking for shorts, but the probabilities are lowered just because my higher time frame is contradicting. Which is why I'm looking for mean reversions too. Especially if we come back to previous day. Hopefully even an overshoot of previous day. Let's have a look at gold. You won't be able to see this. I do apologise. I don't think you will be able to see it anyway. Oh. Why is that? Bastard. Motherfucker. Okay, maybe we'll see this. Oh yeah, I'd like to see it come into VWAP now. This would be a good trade. Oh, that would have been a nice entry, to be honest. This was a mean reversion play. I've just took. I entered here and took it to here. Good exit. But this would have probably been another good entry. Took a loss on the DAX. I tried. This was an entry to try and mean revert off the liquidity sweep, this structure, which not a bad entry at all. I like it. Instantly reversed, and then I tried again with this because we got an engulfing, and I was so tempted to exit at the very high for 125. I didn't. Instead, I got out about around plus 50. Again, pretty bearish on the lower time frame, so I was trailing my stop quite aggressively, to put it that way. I was following the upper band. So I still took some profit on the second trade, but not as much. I could have recovered my money there. But yeah, I was aiming for back to VWAP. Here we go. I do think we're going to keep coming down here. Don't see any reason why we don't. I'd love it to come back up here. Just don't think it's going to. Anyway, I'll be back. Set that. Get rid of that. I'm back, sorry about that. Yes, as expected, it's coming down. See how it's respecting the lower bands. Wouldn't have been a bad trade, to be honest. This rejection here. This volume wasn't giving me what I wanted. I really want it to come back up here. I am going to be disappearing again to eat my tea. As I trade in the evenings, so I'm trying to squash everything in, eat my food. Come on, you know you want to. Yes, it does. We haven't really come into any major structure. We've come close to sweeping this liquidity, which gives me extra confidence on the short. If we come up to view up. It's a big if, though. Seems pretty strong. The bears seem pretty strong. The 15-minute view up is here. I am going to play the 1 minute view up bounce. Hide my stop behind. If this trade doesn't work out, I'm probably going to call it a day. I've took a loss already, as you can see. I'm trying to stop over trading. Because I'll try and win my money back, and yeah, it works sometimes. But it's such bad habits. And then it comes and bites around the arse eventually. Like really badly. So now I'm just focused on trying to create these good habits. Control myself. Control my impulses, my emotions. Or recognize my emotions, should I say. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to go again. I'll be back. Especially if I hear that alert go off. I'll be straight back. Damn. I reckon that's going down again. Volume weren't too bad. That was maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I ain't touching it anyway. There she goes. Maybe not. Still think it will though. Come on, get back to view up. Give me a good entry. If you're watching this, I'm going to try and stream for 1 hour, sometimes more, at least 1 hour. And hopefully for most nights. Some nights I can't do. I'd play football on Thursday night, so I won't be able to Thursday. Well, maybe it actually depends what time football starts. I play tennis usually on Wednesdays, but again, probably get a stream in. I think most days for 1 hour. I'll be good. Mondays, sorry. I can't Mondays. The reason why is for a chat for another day. If anyone ever asks why I can't do Mondays, I may tell them. Okay, I'm going again. We're just barcoding right now. My guess would be it's going to come down, but I'm hoping it comes up before it comes down so I can get an entry. We're up. Love it. Come on. Come into you up. Seven, 8, 3. Oops, I meant 7, 7, 8. Okay, I'll be back again. Whoa. Why is it doing that? God damn. Bad timing. saying? Okay. Maybe. Why is nothing letting me log in? What do I do? Why is it not letting me? Oh. Don't be annoying. Please. What the fuck? Why? I'm having a nightmare. Fuck's sake. Why won't you fucking log in? What are you saying? Look, this is not now. It's just fucking up. What? Sorry, everyone. Okay, I'm trading on my phone by the looks of it. God damn. I don't know what's going on. My phone will log in. Who knows? I'll miss that anyway. To be fair, I'm not a big fan of the entry, so we're all good. Wait, what? How annoying. If we take this level, I think if it does come back up, I probably still will take the bounce. There's nowhere to put a stop loss if I take this. Maybe there. It's not the greatest. It's too much. I hope it comes back up. If we get respect to this here, I'm in. Really don't get why it's not finding the login. Error. Unauthorized. Why? Fuck knows. Stressful, man. I've had some problems recently. Ooh, that looks good. There she goes. There she goes. Okay, are we back again? Just gonna leave it. I'm not chasing the move. Allow it. Ah, it might reverse, so let's put an alert on. I was really tempted to get in that, but where do I take it to? Oh man, it's so tempting. I think it comes to VWAP. Super tempting. Maybe I do it. Put the stop loss here. Okay. Ooh, I'm in. But I'm only going for a little scalp. I'm going for these levels. Sorry, you can't see my order because it's on my phone. You can't see it because my camera's shit too. Oh. Looks like we're about to get stopped out. I do think there's a potential it comes down here. But do I leave a runner on? That's the question. Okay. I've entered another. This will be me done if it don't work out. Sorry guys, I don't have a clue what was going off. Why it won't let me trade on the computer. God knows, I don't know. Why is it froze too? What is going on? Don't know if it's because of the stream. God knows, man. I don't know what's going on. Come on. What is going on? Okay, here we go. We're on again. Target 1 is here. Do you know what? I'm out. I'm out. It could run, but we are in somewhat of a bullish trend, and we've just come into the first sign of danger. I'll take it. I mean, if we run, it's a pretty nice trade, but there we go. God damn it. It's going to go. Something I'm not very good at the minute. I'm a pussy. I really am. I just get out first sign of danger. But I'm happy. I'm happy with the trade. Couldn't get in as early as I wanted to. If we'd have come into VWAP, this would have been beautiful. But you don't always get that. It's not perfect. It makes it hard for you sometimes. So I had to trade off the anchor from the highest point coming close to the VWAP. I call this rejection. It was telling me it wanted to go down. Kept the stop loss quite tight because if the trade idea would play out, it would hold this anchor. Look at this, motherfuckers. It's coming all the way down. It's annoying that you couldn't see my trade. I don't know why it's doing this. Let's see if it does it now. What the hell is going on? Why? Is it my connection? I don't know. But I'm taking it. I'm happy with it. Could have been more. A lot more. Alright, now the next trade is mean reversion. But I need to see a nice 50-minute candle before I can do that. Otherwise, it just seems like it wants to continue going down. What is gold doing? Let's see. Trade DAX and gold. Ooh, gold looking like it wants to mean revert. That's what gold looks like. Maybe not. Looks ugly, to be fair. But possible. Very possible. Let's have a look. Oh, I bet that 2-minute looks good. Yes, it does. I might take this. It's tough. It's tough. Does it want to go? Does it want to go? I don't know. Potentially. You know what? Taking it. In that respect, I'm taking it again. Added another. There we go. It's a nice little pump there. I'm sorry, you just can't see my trades. I'll walk them out for you. That's right. Yep. That's main trade. Okay, we'll take one off quite early. Sell one. Take risk off the table. I'm not risking much, to be honest. And then next, took one off the table already. Next one. Should have added more to this. Well, maybe not then. It's coming straight back down. Jesus. Good job I didn't add. There we go. We're out of that one. Sorry, let me just sort this out. That was break even. Took one off here and then got stopped out. So it was like a 1-to-1. The only thing, what I could have done is put more size on them, scalped. But it's a bit hard, I'm trading off my fucking phone. It's pretty annoying, actually. I'm not enjoying it, I must say. Don't think I want a mirror version here. It's not a strong enough level. I want bounce off VWAP. Anyway, I'll be back.
Wednesday they got first win of season at home. Yeah. And they scored last minute. They did. Oh, was it? I didn't see that. You didn't see? That's, I knew that the drill. Yeah, we were winning 1-0. We scored like 9-7. But that's fine. See, as well, I've not heard of it. It seems that it's been confirmed today that next season will start with -16. I don't think I know what he's going on guidance. No, guidance. You can't play that way. Yeah, someone will buy it. We like to do so, right? We supposed to try and buy them, we get out because you got some on the edge of the so many, like heroes, and that. He's amazing down out in the house. Then we do so, you got to do then it would tease. After that, it's only would tease. What is in the wall? I'm like, right. Surely they just, surely just after getting all the players and getting the players on the pitch. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for that. I'll put everyone out to the radio by that. They got downstairs and all the really? Yeah. If this gets, if we get taken over, shit. I bet people are really like, I bet some better. Yeah, definitely not. I think you mentioned that there first. Really? Yeah, when we may not get that, because I do want that. You were a little bitch, you were a bitch, no, I was over there. I was this. No, I learned and like the hate of it. I think he missed it all. Get paid off and yeah, I know. No, it's yeah, well, we've already paid you your shit. And like, if we were actually going to fight, we would not pay you. Didn't fair play. I spent a lot of money. Well, we played best football with one second we ever played on like our next that's even though we were on the road. Like, spent a lot of time. We did actually go to it. Like, if we had just won that one game, it would be never going to be the same better than the Brad. I think I was obviously gone to shit now. And the way that I'm all this, so I'm not on
I'm sorry, but I'm gonna go. I'm gonna have to leave. I may take a trade soon, but honestly, it's hectic tonight. I'm just trade off my phone. I may get an entry or two. But do I take that now? But anyway. Peace out. How do I turn you off? Sorry, just one last thing. Where have you gone? I'll be back on tomorrow, let you know how the rest of the night goes.